How to verify your Epic Games account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on verifying your Epic Games account. In order to verify your Epic Games account, first of all, check your internet connection and open up a browser. After you open up a browser on the web address bar, type in epicgames.com and log into your Epic Games account. So basically, to verify your account, it means verifying your email address or the contact info. If you have not verified your contact details, what you can do is go to your profile from the top right. As soon as you tap on it, a drop down menu appears. From the list, click on account. So this is going to direct you to the account center page where you'll be able to see multiple options. My email address is already verified, but if you've not verified the email address, then you'll have something as verified right over here. All you have to do is just tap on the verify button. After that, it's going to send you a statement stating that a verification link has been sent through your email. So all you have to do is open up your Gmail account and tap the link. As soon as you tap on the link, it will be notified stating that you've successfully verified your email address. And also, if you want to change your email address, then tap the pencil shape icon located right in the corner and enter in the new email address that you want to replace it with and click on continue. After that, it's going to show you this kind of interface where it's going to show you that the verification link or the verification code has been sent. So all you have to do is enter in the verification code, and after you've done entering the verification code, then you've successfully verified your email address. So in this way, you can verify your Epic Games account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.